Hello. I want to share with you my recent experience about self pity. Self pity is a silent saboteur. When we indulge in it, we allow ourselves to stay stuck in a place of helplessness. But in truth, we are stronger than we realize. Every time I feel the pull of self pity, I remind myself that I have the strength to overcome whatever I'm facing. By reframing my thoughts, I free myself from negativity and open the door to solutions. I am not a victim of my circumstances. I am a warrior facing challenges. And with every victory, I grow stronger. It shows just how powerful this mindset shift can be. It's not always easy, but it's a practice worth committing to. For example, during the service, I joined a group of Davidic dancers. I found myself unexpectedly gripped by the spirit of self pity. But instead of allowing it to take hold, I countered it by repeating to myself, I am strong and I cannot pity myself. I kept affirming this over and over, even while I was dancing. In that moment, I was able to shift my focus back to worshiping God, and soon all of those negative feelings faded away. I was reminded that I have the strength to rise above my challenges, and I could fully embrace the joy of the moment, leaving my worries behind.
In every step, I'm not alone. I trust in you with all my heart, and know you'll guide me from the start. I commit it all, every dream, every goal. I'll follow you, you'll